everyone, welcome back to ComputerZen. So today our video will be consisting of how to calculate CI in Java. So let us see the program. Okay, the platform we are using is BlueJ, and now we will create a new class and we will name the class as, suppose, let us give CI, compound interest. Now in this program we will initialize few things. So we need to write the first line as import java dot util dot star or scanner you can give. First we will check with scanner, then if it doesn't work then we will give star. So first is class CI. We'll write the class name. After that we need to give a method name, and so that public void calculate. So calculate is the method name. Within the brackets, we will take initialization of int p principal time t int t, also double r, the rate should be calculated in double, and int n. Maybe this is for the amount we are taking, suppose. So inside the method we are going to calculate. So calculating the amount, which is double amount, equals to, we will write the formula as we know all the formulas of compound interest, which is principal into math.pow. Here we are using the power function of the math function, math directory you can say. Okay, so pow 1 r by n plus t. Next will be our double compound interest, so we are naming it as say interest, and therefore we calculate the amount of the compound interest by amount minus the principal, and therefore we print the amount by system.out.println function, and also the CI interest, that is the compound interest. In this method we will only print till this line. So after writing this method we will now write the main function, which is public static void main string argument. So let us write this. This main function we have to write in every program. String will be, the S will be in capital always. Here we will create an object so that we can take the values from the method above. So class object equals to new class, which is class's name is ci obj is the object equals to new ci. This is how we create a class in this Java method. Now object of the method calculate, because in the method calculate we have calculated all our amount, CI interest and everything. So that's why we need to create obj.calculate so that we can get the values. And in the parameters we are going to give the values. For principal we will give 2000. For time let us suppose 5 or 6 or 7, anything. Let us take 5. Then the rate was in double, so the rate we are going to give 0.08. And 12 will be the value of n. This obj calculate is the values that we have taken in public void calculate. Okay, but we are compiling and it is giving an error. So what is the error? Okay, now I get it. Can you see that in the math.pow we have not given a bracket over there? R by n, not a bracket. So we will clear it, give a bracket, and then see the class has been compiled and there is no syntax error. So it's good. So let us see what's the output of this program. See, the compound interest is 5 years. After 5 years is 979 and amount has been also shown. I hope you found this video very helpful, and that's the output. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel ComputerZen. Thank you. You can also visit our page ComputerZen, and we have many videos posted over the concept of computers, Java, C languages. You can take a look. Thank you.